Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Consider acquiring, and you will be immersed with a wide range of repulsions and conundrum of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan fees that you will disregard considering getting in government-issued types of money. Be that as it may, presently you have an answer to be sure. The digital resource world is here to alleviate your stresses over getting and loaning. The decentralized money, DeFi, convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles yet additionally to address your frightening worries connected with getting and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of system versus government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost forecast, Aave has made the whole framework moderately simple and fathomable to an average person, putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave advantage. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary standards, Aave also is represented by market opinions and brokers' effective financial planning designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are enormous, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights draw an ever-increasing number of brokers too as time passes. Aave additionally offers fixed and variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the road ahead. What's to come is very brilliant for Aave as the corporate has imagined a generous vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bent has generally sure signs for Aave. In any case, specialists have shown long-haul crypto expectations as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and dealers to feel free to put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Wiping out the intricacies of the decentralized biological system, Aave has been made with the sole goal of a multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, the vast potential. Aave is recorded on different noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKX. Right from the hour of beginning, Aave has been performing at a level with development boundaries obviously demonstrating certainty among other digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers decentralized trades to offer speedy and modest exchanges for their clients. Mixed with Aave assists these trades with running on steroids, making them reliable and secure. No big surprise this decentralized trade drives the fate of computerized resources. Aave likewise goes about as a lending and credit scoring stage for vendors. The brokers can find out the value and believability of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the individuals who have a superior potential for success of convenient reimbursement. Aave, historical analysis. The brain science of clients assumes a urgent part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave, also is no special case. The idleness that at first played for Aave last year is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 vanished in the setting of its mechanical arrangements. A much of the time and distinctly noticed quality of Aave is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. Aave price predictions, 2022 to 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists don't stop the coin from outflanking the opponent coins using any and all means. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, in any case. Aave will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage very intelligent and straightforward. The ongoing cost of Aave waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges, as right now, Aave is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be deceiving treat for us as far as Aave, similar to some other digital money, it is insightful to sit tight for one more round of a bullish push. Despite the fact that other major crypto Goliaths appear to be getting online entertainment publicity, Aave will for sure consistently show a positive example, continually rising, and the impending years will be one of the most outstanding times of Aave with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Aave Price Prediction 2022. With partnerships and unions and local area subsidizing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful however most likely achievable. Aave Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in government arrangements and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of cloudy days. Aave cost ought to cruise serenely at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67 making it not fall yet play predictable. Aave Price Prediction 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New partnerships would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Price Prediction 2025. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is really brilliant for Aave. It doesn't exclusively depend on decentralization. As per our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Price Prediction 2026. Having seen a monstrous app reception somewhat recently that drove the cost of Aave. From the very start of 2026, Aave has checked huge development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark however later confronted rectification and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring prevalence among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over.